Thank you very much everyone. You have helped me get to 100 subscribers on YouTube. I am so happy. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I at Jomtien beach. I want to show you around here. Come with me. Today is hot, 31 degrees, and today I want to walk around here because tomorrow I have to go to Isaan, miss my family. Now this bed is have customer, maybe tea people, and people just walk sell ice cream on the beach, but not too much same before. Now it's still raining, but I have to wait because I want to sit somewhere. But just to wait first. Maybe I pay money for sit down. It's maybe raining. I have to wait maybe 30 minutes for sit down here.
Not just on the beach, it's quiet. Everywhere in Pattaya now is quiet too.
The beach in Jomtien now is looking because don't have customers so much. Everywhere is quiet in Pattaya, but I can see some restaurant and bar is open this time because yesterday I take the tuk-tuk go around Pattaya and I can see the bar and the pub is open.
When I go to holiday in UK before, I really miss the beach in Jomtien. I promise with myself when I come back to Pattaya, I want to relax in the beach, and today I do that. I just start walking near to Soi 2 and I want to walk around here first and have one man, him need customer, him say please sit down here if you walk around here for look for food, not need do that. I can order food for you and bring for you here. When I come to the shop, it's have chair for sit down. A lot the people is have menu for order the food with him. But lately, I know someone cook papaya salad street food. Is I like that so much and she make delicious. I want to order with her. I hope I lucky see street food I want to buy. Yes, now I see what I want to buy. This man himself seafood salad. I just order one with him.
I order papaya salad near here on the beach.
I can buy papaya salad here and go sit next to the beach. I tell her I don't want spicy, I just want medium. When I go to holiday in UK before 8 months, I really miss papaya salad in this shop because I really like she cooking very delicious. If you like to eat something like this but you don't like turmeric fish sauce, it's the right spicy, you can order tam Thai, it's very good too. When people cook papaya salad, it have chili, garlic, turmeric fish sauce and fish sauce, sugar, lime, tomato, bean and papaya. And you can tell her how many chili you do want to put in. She make papaya salad here, this color look good. Today I not eat sticky rice, I buy noodle is with som tam. I call som tam it a same papaya salad. Now I have food for me already and I just go back and look for chair for sit down and relax. And after this, people bring food for me when I have the chair for sit down.
Now I want to sit here because it's so nice. This is looking and look good here and can see the beach. เท่าไหร่คะ This chair we have to pay is 40 baht. You can sit all day.
This man, him come back to me again. Before I just see him sit over there and I order with him, but now him walk downstairs to the beach and see me sit here and I say I order already. Today I so happy about the street food and the sit in the beach here because when I lived in Pattaya before I so miss the beach in Pattaya and today I so happy to come back again. This man himself bought one pack is 39 baht. When buy 3 pack is 100 baht for this. I so happy I sit down and people come for sell food for me.
Tonight in Pattaya, people start for cold bar again because in the Bangkok is have coronavirus. Come is tea time now. Bar in Pattaya is start cold again tonight. When I sit in the beach like this, if I want order beer, is I can, but not in the bar. Now I order coconut. Can give for me now. ขอบคุณค่ะ ว้าว น้ำเต็มเลย A lot. This look nice. I stay in Pattaya today is last day for me and evening. My sister take I go to the Bangkok. After that I have to go to Isaan.
Before I live in Pattaya, I want to show you around Jomtien first.
This is I order coconut. I have to try first. Very sweet. And this one.
This Thai people call Khanon, but English I don't know. Please let me know. Can you leave your comment? I want to know this.
Smell good. Just eat like this. This is good. Sweet. You can see scale over there.
I think Scale go down because need the food and hungry. Scale look the food in the bag now.
And I can see people pay banana boat over there.
When I want to pay jet ski, 1 hour is 1,500 baht.
Him sell seafood, have prawn is crab. But I don't want to eat that because 3 days before I eat already. I feel bored with seafood. Now I just looking Isaan food but not coming.
Okay guys, now I want to walk around here the beach in Jomtien. Can you go with me? I just keep walk around guys because I think you miss the beach same me.
Wow, look this car. Amazing.
Now in Pattaya is have people come for holiday. People from Bangkok come for holiday. It's evening Friday, Saturday and Sunday is a lot of people. But today is people don't day off today and the beach is look quiet. Bangkok come to Pattaya have to diving is 2 hours. Can come here in the morning and go back evening. The water in Jomtien is not clear. If you want to see water is clean, have to go to Got Lan. I really like this restaurant because the food is delicious, it's not expensive, a lot of customer. And this restaurant is open long time. When you come to Jomtien Beach, a lot of people sell food here. Have table sit down inside there. It's a lot of fish and seafood here and Thai food. Now I just keep walking, go straight for look Amazon coffee because I need coffee now. When you come to the beach in Jomtien, if you want to massage, is the shop for massage is open for this time. When you can watching this video finish already, I think Pattaya now is massage is cold, the restaurant is cold too.
This soil it look quiet too. Amazon coffee is very nice here in Jomtien. And here is have restaurant for food. cheap because I can see pad thai is 69 baht and rice stir fry 59 baht and pad kapao seafood is 69 and after that is kapao gai is 69 too. It's cheap.
Evening time at Soi 9 Night Market in Jomtien. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Stay safe and healthy. Now I have to go. Don't forget like, subscribe and follow me please. I have to say I'm so sorry for my English is not good. See you next video guys. Bye bye.